Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to repair Face ID on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing any kind of issue with your iPhone Face ID, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to try to update your iPhone software. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just go to general, then go to software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any kind of pending software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, you just have to simply go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, we have to quickly press and reach volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your settings app, then go to screen time, then go to content rights restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After doing this, you just have to simply go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. If you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to clear your in-depth or the front camera. If there will be any dust or any dirt causing the issue, it will be fixed in this step. Or you can also try to contact with the Apple support team. You have to make sure that your in-depth camera or your Face ID is not physically damaged. If you might see that there's any kind of damage, so you have to try to check it to a hardware expert to fix your issue. Or you can try to contact with Apple support. So open your Apple support app. You can easily install it from your app store, or you can use Apple support web. Here, just select your iPhone, then select this more option, and here look for Face ID, select that, and here you just have to wait for this loading and just select get more help, then tap on callers. After that, whenever you find a phone number, you just have to dial this phone number, and whenever you want to dial, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, you should be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.